Hello everybody, Becca here. I want to show you super fast a haul I did today in the in the Dollar Tree. I want to show you. I didn't see any videos people showing this, but to tell the truth, I have been a while since the last time I watched a whole video. But I found these special memory collections and they're so cute. I think I used to have something like that before. And I have a project for one wall that I can thinking about I want to do. So I got 3 of them. Very cute. And they have some stickers and planet stuff. Very cute. They have like the papers for the binder, monthly, weekly, notepads, like a check mark, like a bullet kind of with miscellaneous. Appointments, stuff like that, but I don't use those kind of planners, so I didn't get any of those. So but I got these ones, and they have some washi tape, but no washes, it's stripes of washi tape, not in the roll. But I got this, the magnetic bookmarks. They're so pretty. Well, they say the binders are in the stationery aisle. I didn't see them, but look at how pretty they're. Make it happen, dream big, and the flower. And they have notepads too, but I didn't get notepads because I have way too many of them. And I got these flag clips. They're so cute. And this one says today, this one says love this, and I got 2 of them because I want one for here, one for work. And I got these ones. They're so pretty. Good for today, love this. This is awesome, important, hello hustle. Very pretty. 2 papers, very nice. And these ones, I got 2 of them too. Appointment, day, night, bill due, and ASAP, to-do list, JJ, get it together, get it done. Love it. And these like headbands, I call them, but elastic book band. And this is for work. And they have these stickers books. I didn't see any of these ones before, and I got very excited. For $1, all this amount of stickers. I think this is a great deal. And they're kind of very easy to use. Big boxes, numbers to do. I'm gonna zoom in so that way you can see it, and it's not hanging in the floor, in the air. Sorry for the light. And but look at these, they're so pretty. Remember, don't forget, weekend trackers. That's pretty neat for $1, people. $1. And they have just 1 of each one. If I see more than 1, I will take more than 1 because they're pretty good. Look at this one. Weekend, noted, love these ones. They're so pretty. Busy, payday. Get organized. I love it. Very nice. And this one, other. This have just 1 of them too. And they have just 1 of them too. I'm trying to turn on the light and see if you can see better. Well, these are like sunglasses. Look at those, are so cute. And aloha, celebrate, weekends to do, weekends, my goals today, to buy, to do, party, payday. Oh, check this out. I really love it. Happy birthday, thank you, notes. Reminder, to buy, to pay, to clean, important work, ASAP, the same thing. The pineapples, gold, very pretty, very important. Morning, afternoon, evening, bedtime, every day, routine, today, Monday through Friday to Saturday. I love it. Let's celebrate. These are very pretty. I hope you can see them. I love it. $1. And the same page, the other one have that I like very much. I really like that. So that was my haul, and I'm very excited. I love them both, and all this pretty stuff. Check it out. I didn't see the binders in my dollar store. Maybe you can find it and make a very cute planner for a very low price. So thank you for watching, and bye.